Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to quickly mark a chat as read on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you've got a bunch of messages piling up and you just want to clear that notification bubble without going into the chat itself, this method will help you out. It's super simple and takes just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account, because you'll need access to your servers, DMs, or group chats. Once you're inside, you'll see your friend list or servers on the left side, depending on where the message came from. Next, locate the specific chat you want to mark as read. This could be a direct message from a friend, a server channel, or even a group chat. If you see an unread message notification on the chat, you'll notice either a little white dot or a red badge showing you that there are unread messages waiting. Now, instead of clicking into the chat and scrolling through all the messages, all you need to do is right-click on that chat name. A small menu will pop up with a list of options you can choose from. In that menu, look for the option that says Mark as Read. Once you click on it, Discord will automatically clear the notification for that chat. The unread badge or dot will disappear, and the channel will look like you've already checked it, even if you haven't actually opened the messages. That's it. Just 3 easy steps. Open the Discord app, find the chat, right-click, and select Mark as Read. This is especially useful if you're part of multiple active servers, or if you don't have time to catch up on every message right away. It keeps your notifications tidy and helps you focus only on the conversations you want. So, the next time you see those unread badges piling up, just remember this simple trick to keep things clean and organized. Now you know exactly how to mark a chat as read on Discord for PC after the new update.